Opa, lagyan natin opa. Yeah, ako wala kita. Ako hindi i-check. Teka lang, ikaw ayos, ako kalit. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Di ko pa maalala yung honor. Ha? Di ko matandaan yung honor. Saan ka lumaki? Lumaki mo ako sa farm, yung honor. Pag ganyan, oh. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Nahuli ng koko. Wrong! It's wrong! Okay, sorry, it's wrong. Okay, how about pointed eyes like this? There you go. And together. Ay! Bakit? Daming tao! What? So many people! What? Dumami. Dumoble. Idol! What? Idol! Idol. Idoling. Sorry, it's idoling pala. Sorry. How about that one? Banda! Sorry. Can you draw the eyes for us? Olaf's eyes? Yes, okay. Make an eye for Olaf. There you go. I think that's scary. I don't like a zombie. You might think a zombie. No, okay, let's draw the eyes like this. And the other one like that. It's just a stone. There you go. Ano kulang sa kanya? The hair. Wow, hair. What hair do you want? Like tanggol. Ano yung si tanggol? Si Coco. Okay. Coco Melon. Alright, so this I want you to greet Adina a happy birthday. No! Say happy birthday. No! Say happy. No, I don't want. Hindi tayo babayaran. They won't pay us. Happy birthday, Tina! Yung mga sinabi. Ano ko ba naman? Burahin na natin. One! Help! Adina! Help me! No! No more mouth for you. And how about a round of applause, everybody? Thank you very much. And Yan. Kumain ka na ba? Magutom na ako eh. Bilisan mo, maghahanda na ako. Anong handa mo? Sopot. Hindi ka ba nahirapan? Hindi. Anong hindi? Hindi ako makahinga. May oxygen po yan. Mabaho. Teka lang. Sir! Papakalat sana ba? Di ka na. Sir, kayo po yung nagtatrabaho? Taga-Ilocos ako. Ha? Taga-Ilocos pa? Galing po sa Ilocos? Yes! Ang lalim ng pinanggalingan mo ah. Sir, ano ginagawa niyo sa Ilocos? Isa akong TikTokers. Ano sir yun? TikTokers! Ano yun? Sumasayaw! Sumasayaw ka? Oo!
Happy birthday, Athena. Happy birthday, Athena. Happy birthday, Athena. Enjoy your day.
Hello. Alright, and there you have the...
Did you enjoy your day? Did you have fun? Do you like your theme? Are you happy? Oh, she looks happy naman. And ikaw congratulate ko na lang to si Twinkle and Dex. Ayan, proud na proud kami sa inyo. Ngayon lang po namin actually nakasama si Athena. Malaki na kasi 5 years silang hindi nakauwi. And yun lang, Athena, enjoy your day. Is it okay to enjoy the day? Okay. Palakpakan naman po natin.
Thank you very much, Andina. Aisa, and there you have it. And now, we'll nagbibigay ng birthday wishes. Galing naman sa mga hindi nakarating. Galing mo sa...